Mammy, king, winning king.
Yes. Yes, you know bamboo.
The bamboo is what? What the English name of bamboo?
Bamboo.
Now, mobile the next Saturday means that the basket. And then the mini basket line. I say, sure, bamboo set. The only one here now, person who said, if you have
Are you listening? Yes.
I will say, my and I'm giving you media will be one. Soon we come up also. We are one who see out me the book. It is I've been in one. Media, Manunia get what they are. Every marble. So, it is Anna. We know so. Now, my yet, my yet, baby. I've been in one of the I've been so we are what we know so we are what we know about the economy different. Sana market to go. So fruits. And a bamboo and bamboo able to cow. It's a cow. And then no naminas women don't actually my fan of the free planet.
Anything color that you see is very important.
And I really know. And yes, we branches and your bamboo run when you get it. And you would be in the case. Madam, they say, no, we don't want to basket. We are Deborah be me. Safina me, ye patuno, me host you are. Ah, where you supposed to be changing. Wait my another session. Okay. Like this one. Make 5 more. You just so make weight. I edify. The many shapes. It's an activity. We need to see as a million. The friend of Bakutama. Over 1 year. That's what I'm buying. Or see out. I want egg coming. Or see out of buying. If we are a bit polished, if you wash the polish and the new the new also. Yeah, it's really Dana, by the way,
this is a man who crafts the thing, or say, or a lot of different kinds of masks, which you saw it over there from when we were coming. So these are those who cast it. You understand? Before they will polish it, and they will send it over there to be placed over there for it for people to come and buy. You see, so that's how the whole thing is. So you start from here, then go. You know, I told you about. You know this symbol?
Yeah.
Have you seen it before? What's the name? Jinyame. Yes, it's called Jinyame. They are the people who carve those symbols and things. Okay, I think
have been pretty high. You was still. You were cigarette. You did a papa and say we call US and be doing more.
What food is that?
You know, this place is the sculpture, where they do the sculptures. They use clay, cement, sand, and things to mold pictures like what we have been seeing. And this is the place they do this kind of jobs.
Welcome. Where from school uniform?
Which school are you coming from?
International School.
At where?
Love's
interest. Okay, your Uncle Kwadede. I'm known as Mr. Adu Harrison. People know me. People call me Kwadede. Kwadede, Uncle Kwadede. Right. This is the job that I'm doing. I've been here for the past 30 years ago now. Yeah, you people, well, the blood hasn't come through yet. Right. You see, we have different type of cane. You see, at this very area, we use cane, bamboo, rattan, and everything to do different aspects of products. So don't think that I can't do this dirty work and it will spoil your uniform. None of you people are going to be at the President Akufo-Addo's office. But all subjects you are being taught in school, you must take it serious. You see, I've done this job for almost 30 years ago. I've been going out with the University of Science and Technology here. They come here for their practicals. Your lecturers will tell them, do this, apply this, do that, do that. Blah, 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 and they finish. They don't know how to apply the work now. Right. So we have different, we are very lucky in Ghana here, our forest. We have so many raw materials to produce and do so many objects. As you look at your bag there, we do different varieties. So, now, hold on and I'll show you some of our products. Right. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I'll sit down and see. I want one of you guys to be there. Okay.
Stand from there.
Hey, give him the space. Sit down, you see. All right. It's very relaxable.
It's okay.
Oh, all right, everybody. Okay, look at me now. Oh, these are raw material, bamboo. A lot of you people know bamboo.
Yes.
In our local dialect, we call it what? Bamboo. Yes. So this my bamboo plus this cane will have finished with a sitting table, a sitting chair. You see, we are lucky in Ghana here. We are lucky in our country. You see, we have different varieties of raw materials.
But if you don't apply your coconut, you can't use it. See, this is what I've been doing for the past 47 years with the family of 7. So, not that you all people will be at a computer in your machine to tell them, no, this is, majority of you people are going to use for my bed. Yeah, you bet, and your uncles have been doing it. So, any object that your teachers are telling you in your classroom, you people must take it serious. Cane is not mainly for beating. You see, there are times your teachers tell you, oh, go and bring koboko, bulala. As you look here, let me clear here now. You can see these are some of the raw materials. You see, these are some of the raw materials. What I'm going to do is that go to the people and we use to hit you as a instance. Not meant for people. It's meant for applying different types of objects that you can do. You technically use your mind, use your coconut very well. Not that, not all of you people are not going to be nurses. So the level that I'm telling you, there is a very good out of raw materials. So you look over there, there are a lot of baskets.
You can come and look at it over here. But take time, there's camp passing, so take time.
At the same time, all this raw material that I'm showing you, this all I apply with the cane. You see, we are doing, what is this now? Basket. You do basketry in your school? Oh, very soon your teachers will be telling you how to do it. We apply this for hamper, Christmas dates and all these things. We call it hamper basket. It all comes from the cane. You see, depending on the thing that you are going to use for. So this is what I'm telling you. That is that. So at the same time, the cane can come to our furniture. Wardrobes, everything in your room and houses.
Aja, jina na unchiro furniture ni ye ntwa furniture no. Plenty people don't come plenty, yes. Let Aja come and stand here, then he shows you.
There, I will tell you what the cane, our raw material cane, whereby they take it cool, whereby majority used to whip students, children in house. You can see the objects that we can do from this. You see, cane. All these are cane. Depending. So, don't think that if you meet me here with my dirty uniform and performing all this, I apply cane, my knowledge to produce this thing. Isn't it would be nice in your room? So, the cane, we are blessed in the country to have different, if you have the raw material like this, these are some of the objects that we can produce for you people. So, any subject that you are doing in your classroom, never that all you ladies and kids are going to be nurses and...
So this is the starting point of our production. First of all, we get the clay from infancy, and this is the raw state. So with our clay preparation, we take the clay from this place, then we keep it over here. So we take the clay from this place. So over here, we add water to it, then we mix it up. After mixing the clay, we sieve it. Like the way most of your mothers sieve a benquine. So we sieve it, then we keep it over here for drying. Then after this stage, we take the clay inside. That process is the first stage of our production. That's the preparation of the clay process. Then with the actual work, over here with this table, we prepare the clay over there. Then we take it to this machine. It's a manual machine. It's called potter's wheel.
No, nobody can enter.
So with this machine, we get the clay into a ball state where there are two people. We have the potter and someone that spins the wheel. So when we feed the clay here, one person spins it over here. Then the potter gets to shape it to the shape that we want. And afterwards, we keep them over here for drying. We dry them for about 2 weeks. We dry them up for about 2 weeks, where that's the modeling and production process. After that, that process is finished. Then we get to the firing state. The firing state, we use this oven. We pack all the pots and vases that we make into this kiln where we fire it up. Like the way bread is produced, mostly we use the same processes. Like the way we bake bread, we bake the same, our pots and vases like the same way we bake bread. But with this kiln, we fire it for about 190 degrees Celsius. That's if we start this morning for around 9, we end the next day around 12 o'clock. For all that time, we have to be putting firewood inside so that the vases and pots inside will become baked like bread. But it takes a very long time. That's like full 24 hours. We bake them for like 24 hours. And after that process, we take them out. And that's where they get this color, the reddish color you see. If we take this into the kiln and we bring it out, it turns red. That's when the production process is finished. So thank you. If you have any question, you can ask.
Any question?
I think here there's no much question. So I think, what do you say? Thank you.
So one thing to take note is the machine. It's called potter's wheel. And someone who produces the pot is called a potter. That's all.
We do it on a material. It's called canvas. The canvas is the material that we are working on. It's like a fabric, like the cloth that you use, you wrap around. So this one is specially made for art. And then inside we have a wooden frame. So when you can go to the shops and buy these already made canvases, or you can prepare it by your own self by the way of buying some materials and then wood, then cutting them into the size that you want, and then you put the material on it, then you paint it with a white paint or background, then you can start. So in art we use our brushes. Like we have the artist brushes, not the normal brushes that the painters, those who paint the walls, not the ones that you use, but these ones are artist brushes, like this ones. You have two types. You have the flat brushes, and then these ones are the one with the pointed bristles. These are the bristles, the ones that we use to pick the paint. So if I want to paint, I just use this. I pick some of the paint, and then I apply it on the canvas. I think you can all see it. So we also have varieties of paints. The paints that we use for our art is the acrylic paint. We have motion paint, we have DTM. DTM is direct to metal, and then we have acrylics. So the acrylics are the paints that we use for our artworks. Yeah. So that's about it. So and what I've mounted my artwork on is called the easel. Just like what you put your board, the marker board on. But these ones are purposely made for artworks, like mounting your art on it and then you paint. Sometimes also for exhibition so that you can display your works on it. That's it.
Okay, start talking.
Wood can be made in many different ways. It can be used for mirror, bowls, craft works, everything. Just buy what you want to do, then it can be done with this. As you can see, like the leaves are really good. And there are,
We'll go there.
when you go there, you can visit them to see furthermore. If you need anything, you can ask so that you can see.
Oh, okay. So let's come. Wait, I think Madam wants to ask some question. You know this place? This place is called Akrafioso. Do you understand Akrafioso? Where we go to pray to God. So this place is the church. This place is the church. That's what it's.
I am a teacher. I teach eternity and I can never tell her my influence stops. I can teach you all things, but I can't make you learn. I can give you direction, but I can't always be there to lead you. I can teach you right from wrong, but I can't always decide for you. I advise you about your friends, but I don't choose them for you. I can teach you about love, but I don't make it pure for you. I can warn you about drugs, but I don't live a life for you. I can tell you a lot of lofty goals in life, but I don't achieve them for you. I can give you tools to work in life, but I can't use them to work for you. And that is why we should be capable of taking care of ourselves as a country. Life is simple, one down thing after another, and how good it is to live. Even at worst, but man of nature solo mistake. The nature of man is always the same. It is our habits that separate us. Then from 1972 to 1978, I am called Operation Feed Yourself. Domestication is my motive. Even though I jumped through the window, my agenda is one of the best solutions for our country. Thank you. That time the surprise of my years, 1978 to 79. Move, my move. Move make man come be before complaint is our slogan. The seat of government is not our duty. Therefore, we should allow the politicians to do their work. Oh, my brother, my sister, bad governance is one of our major sources of misery and abject poverty to our country. Why? Because of wealth and power. Whilst its absurd view compel many labor for their benefit. Wake up, black man, from your mental slavery. Because chains are not seen on our hands again, but within our mindsets. Because of money, cash, sika. Well, money can buy anything, but can't do everything because it is just a medium of exchange.
Money can buy house, not home. Money can buy bed, not sleep. Money can buy clock, not stand. Money can buy book, not knowledge. Money can buy position, not respect. Money can buy medicine, not health. Money can buy blood, not life. And money can buy nature, that is woman, but not love. That's why we say nothing apart from money, which is sweeter than money.
Yesterday is gone, forget it. Tomorrow does not exist. Don't worry. Today is here. Let's give an account to it and carry on for the future is unknown.
Let us therefore give thanks to the Creator for His showers of blessings over us. Well, after few days of pleasure, heavy losses of opportunity, long days of sorrows and horrible days of disappointment, and long days of misfortune, the Creator have made us understood that whatever comes our way is our fortune. Thank you. Then came 2009 to 2022. I say, no man is good enough to govern another man without his consent. Political governments are not lord of monarchy, but a servant to the people. And I can also say, we are in the era of government for the people, for the government. I eat to live, to serve, and so happy to enjoy. But we live to eat, not eat to live, because man is what he eats. Why bad man does that? He may eat and drink, crowds as good men, eat and drink that they may live. He that eats till sick must also fast till he is well, to lengthen thy life lesson thy life. There is no love sincere than the love of food, transforming lives, changing lives. That is from 2012 to 2020.
We are in the era of 2022. As for me, my ambition is to government which is nothing, painful and thankless, but also the interest of work has been set on mankind. Work is a refuge of people who have nothing better to do than to keep us away from these three evils: boredom, vices, and need. Mother Ghana, sweet, rich and beautiful mother perfection of beauty, the land blessed with all kinds of natural minerals, placed in the center of the world with 12 months of good condition of weather, and unified with humanity of her